Hello everyone, welcome to another GIS tutorial. Today I want to show how to create multiple buffer with one comment. I have a line here and I want to apply multiple buffer to it at the same time. Open search, write buffer, enter, and click on multiple ring buffer. Input feature, select river, select a folder, river, save, distance, write the distance 1000 at 2000 and 3000. Buffer unit, select meters, and finally OK. Yes, it was done. Yes, these colors shows the distance 1000, 2000 and 3000. So we were able to apply 3 buffers to this river. I hope this tutorial was useful for you.